ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय साण्वशाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद. In this we are seeing 26th mantra, page number 140. टीका थर्ड लाइन. लाक्षणिक सौस्वर्य गुणवत् प्राण विज्ञानवतो यथोक्त फल लाभे हेतु आह. दिस इज सुवर्ण गुण विशिष्ट प्राण उपासना. बिफोर दिस वाज स्व गुण विशिष्ट प्राण उपासना. So lakshanika sausvarya, in swaras the sausvarya is there. Earlier it was kandhagata madhurya. Now it is suvarnam. Suvarna shabda vach. Sushtu varna uchcharanam. So all varnas are properly chanted. In bhashya, सुवर्ण शब्द सामान्यात स्वर सुवर्ण योहो. सुवर्ण शब्द is samana in swara and suvarna. So therefore suvarna who has will get suvarna, gold, because it is said bhavati ha asya suvarnam, he will get suvarnam. Vakyartham aha, vakyartha is given laukikam eva suvarnam guna vijnana phalam bhavati ityartha. What is the phalam of this upasana? Laukikam suvarnam, he will get gold. टीका. फलेन प्रलोभ्य अभिमुखीकृत्य किं तत् सुवर्णम इति शुश्रूषवे ब्रूते. फलेन प्रलोभ्य, with phalam, pralobhanam is done, he is attracted, now is paying attention. Abhimukhikritya किं तत् सुवर्णम इति शुश्रूषवे ब्रूते. This Sushrushava means the one who has desire to hear. Shushrushu is Shushrushu. That person is called Shushrushu. Shrotum icha, Shushrusha. To that person, Shushrushavе, Chaturthi. Rute, Tasya vai Swara eva Suvarnam. Swara is the Suvarnam of this person. Bhavati ha asya Guna Vijnana Phalam Upasamharati. Bhavati ha asya Suvarnam. Yaha evam etat samnah Suvarnam Veda iti Purvavat Sarva. And he will indeed get Suvarnam, who has etat samnah Suvarnam Veda. The one who knows Suvarnam of Samnah means of Sama. Prana Rupa Sama. Sama is Prana. Samnah means of this Prana. Pranasya Suvarnam Yah Veda Upasate Bhavati ha asya Suvarnam. He will get Suvarnam. Iti Purvavat Sarvam. Like how we have explained earlier. Tika. Samnah साम्नस्तच्छब्दवाच्यस्य प्राणस्य स्वरूपभूतस्य इति यावत्. साम्नः तच्छब्दवाच्यस्य, तच्छब्दवाच्य वेर that etat is given, etat साम्नः, that प्राणस्य स्वरूपभूतस्य इति यावत्. With this 26th mantra is complete. Further, let us see mantra. So this next mantra is the last mantra of this Brahmana. No, not last, second last. After this there is one more. Tasya haitasya samno यह प्रतिष्ठां वेद प्रतिह तिष्ठति तस्य वै वागेव प्रतिष्ठा वाची ही खलु एष एतत् प्राणः प्रतिष्ठितो गीयते अन्न इत्युहैक आहुः. तस्य एतस्य साम्नः, of this sam person, of this prana, tasya etasya साम्नः यह प्रतिष्ठां वेद, the one who knows prana as pratishtha, pratishtha rupa prana, pratiha tishtati, then what happens to him? Pratitishtati, ha nishchayena pratitishthati, prati and tishtati, छंदसी परे अपि vyavahitascha. So prati upasarga and kriyapada, they are separated here. तस्य वै वागेव प्रतिष्ठा वाची ही खलु एषः एतत् प्राणः प्रतिष्ठितो गीयते. वाक् is its प्रतिष्ठा. वाची ही खलु एषः एतत् प्राणः प्रतिष्ठितो गीयते. This prana is pratishthita in vacha. So prana expresses from vacha. Its seat of operation is vak indriya. As far as singing is concerned, anna iti u ha eke ahu. Some people they say it is annam, it is pratisthita in annam, because for prana annam is needed. If you eat, then prana is functioning, then only you will be able to express. Iti u ha eke ahu. Anne, anna means anne. See now, Bhashya. तथा प्रतिष्ठा गुणम विदित्सन आह. विदित्सन धा धातु सन प्रत्यय. विदित्सन आह. तस्यः एतस्य साम्नो यः प्रतिष्ठां वेद. The one who knows pratistham guna of sama. Etasya samnah yaha pratistham veda. Then what is the phalam? Pratitishthati asyam iti pratishtha. Pratitishthati asyam iti pratishtha. In pratishtha, what is the dhatu? Stha.
Stha.
Stha, what is the meaning? gati nivrittau. Stha dhatu is gati nivrittaka. There is no gati, there is no movement. Like parvataha tishthanti, we saw this somewhere. Parvataha tishthanti. So parvataha tishthanti means actually it is gati nivrittaka dhatu only. प्रतिष्ठति अस्याम इति प्रतिष्ठा वाक् ताम प्रतिष्ठाम सामनो गुणम यो वेद स प्रतिष्ठति. The one who knows this guna of sama. ताम प्रतिष्ठाम सामनो गुणम यो वेद स प्रतिष्ठति. तम वस्तिकन उपास्यस्य प्रतिष्ठा गुणत्वे अपि कथम उपासकस्य तद्गुणत्वम तत्र. Upasya is what here in this case?
Prana.
Prana.
Mukhya prana.
Prana.
Mukhya prana is upasya. And upasaka is a person. Upasyasya pratishtha gunatve api. Katham upasakasya tad gunatvam. How upasaka will become pratishtha gunaman. Pratishtha guna is there in prana. If I meditate on that pratishtha guna of prana, how will I get that? So this quotation is given. Tam yatha yatha upaste tadeva bhavati. Tam yatha yatha upasate tadeva bhavati. Whatever upasana he does, then he will become that. This is from Mudgala Upanishad. This had come earlier. This is also there in Shatapatha Brahmana. Iti shrutehe tad gunatvam yuktam. Tad gunatvam upasakasya yuktam. Upasaka also will have those gunas. Tika adi padat uraha shiraha. No, this is later. Vasti bhashya. पूर्ववत् फलेन प्रलोभिताय का प्रतिष्ठा इति शुश्रूषवे आह. शुश्रूषव means शुश्रूषवे आह. पूर्ववत् फलेन प्रलोभिताय, like earlier also suvarna pralobhanam was given. Now he is pratishtha phala, so he is pralobhita. So now his attention is there. Pralobhitaya ka pratishtha iti शुश्रूषवे. That person who is interested in hearing, to that person it is said, what is this pratishtha? Aha, tasya vai samno vageva. Samnaha, tasya samnaha. Both are sixth case. Samnaha is also shashti vibhakti. Vageva. Vageva. Vageva ka pratishtha. Pratishtha. Vag iti jihva mooladinam sthananam akhya. Now vag means what? Jihva moola. Saiva pratishtha. Jihva mooladi. So jihva moola and what is the next one? Upu padmaniya. Jihva moola. All of them are the pratishtha. So different sthanam, kantha, moola, kantha, talu, murdhanya, danta, oshtha, nasika, all of them are there. So that is what is given in Tika, you see. Adi padat, uraha, shiraha, kantha, danta, oshtha, nasika, taluni grahiyante. Instead of murdhanya, they have given shiraha. Tikakara has given shiraha. Kantha, you know. Danta, krama is different. they have not given same krama. Kantha, Danta, Oshtha, Nasika, Taluni. And which is the first one? Uraha. What is pronounced from Uraha? Hmm? In this, you know, there is a Paniniya Shiksha. Have you heard? Paniniya Shiksha. In Ashtadhyayi website, it is there, Paniniya Shiksha. There is a shloka. Ashtau sthanani varnanam urah kantha shirastatha jihva moolan cha dantascha nasikosthau cha talucha. So this order is what is given in the shloka. Uraha. So in Uraha, ha and any anunasika together is chanted from Uraha. Like ma, na. So there Ura is used. There is a shloka for that also. I will tell you. Hakaram panchamair yuktam antasthabhishcha sanyutam urasyam tam vijaniyat kantyamahura sanyutam urasyam tam vijaniyat. Hakara and the five anunasika panchamaihi antasthabhishcha, antastha means the last ones, yuktam sanyutam urasya, it is belonging to ura. Drashtantas are also given there, like this hma, hna, hiya, like that. And kanthya mahuhu asanyutam, unassociated is from kantha, etc. तदाह वाचि ही जिह्वा मूलादिषु ही यस्मात् प्रतिष्ठितः सन् एष प्राण एतद् गानं गीयते. Prana who is pratisthita in all these places, from there Eshah Pranaha etad ganam giyate. It sings all these ganam. Giyate giti bhavam apatyate. Tasmat samnaha pratishtha vak. Therefore vak is the pratishtha of sama. So in that, that's what Tika says. Adi padad. Adi means jihva muladishu. So in that, one kind of sthana is this Jihva Mula and Upu Padmani, etc. And then these others are given here. Uraha ityadi. Kim iti ashtau sthanani vag ityuchyante tatraha. Why these 8 locations are called vag? Tatraha. Vachi. Vachihi. They are pratisthita in vag. So the earlier Adi is from the second line of Bhashya. Jihva Mula Dinam, that Adi. Pakshantaram aha anna. Now some people say Anye pratisthito giyate. Prana is pratisthita in anna, not in vak. Iti u ha eke anye ahuhu. Some people say like that. Iha pratitishthati iti uktam. This is what is given. Iha pratitishthati. Iha means anye. कथन तरहि प्रतिष्ठा गुणस्य प्राणस्य विज्ञानं कर्तव्यम् अत आह. Vijnanam kartavyam means upasanam. how to do upasana of prana with pratishtha as vishesha guna. In this way, how to do upasana? Pratishtha guna vishishta prana upasana, how to do? अनिंदितत्वात् एकीय पक्षस्य विकल्पेन प्रतिष्ठा गुण विज्ञानं कुर्यात्. वाक् वा प्रतिष्ठा अन्नं वा इति. अनिंदितत्वात् एकीय पक्षस्य pratishtha here is where something is anindita. Anindita means nobody puts any blame, nobody criticizes. So prana is like that, means everybody needs it, everybody likes it. अनिंदितत्वात् एकीय पक्षस्य विकल्पेन प्रतिष्ठा गुण विज्ञानं कुर्यात्. विकल्पेन vikalpena means because two vikalpas are given. Either prana is pratishtita in vak or prana is pratishtita in anna in this way. So pratishtha guna vijnanam kuryat. Vag va pratishtha, annam va iti. Either way. With this, all different gunas of prana, their upasana is done. Means upasana is explained. Now just think in general. Generally, we don't do any such upasana of prana with these vishesha gunas, but they are taught. So the objective is we can use some of these for Ishvara. Ishvara is anindita, Ishvara is vyapaka, Ishvara is vishuddha, Ishvara is the leader of all. Ishvara upasana will give swara, saushtam, kantha madhuryam, etc., etc., everything. So in Ishvara, all these gunas are there. So if you do Ishvara upasana, it is also okay. Here prana shabda is given. So if somebody feels, how do I use all this knowledge, whatever I have accumulated here, you can use that. In Ishvara, there are some other things, like Rupa we have defined. Right? So then Rupa Vishishta Upasana also you can do. But in Prana, no Rupa is there, only Guna. So therefore, less Indriyas are used, therefore it is Sukshma. In Ishvara, we have added Rupa because we create Eka Rupa Ishvara Bhavana from Purana. Then we do Dhyana. But if you just use Upanishad Ishvara, then Rupa etc. is not there. Leela etc. is not there. All of them are removed. Only certain gunas are there and lakshanas, whatever are given from Upanishad. You have to use that for Upasana. So here little bit more is available. And for Saguna Sakar, even more options are there. This much we should remember. Like how we do Mahimna Patha, etc. So in Mahimna Patha, so much is there. So mind can stay there for longer. Yes.
So according to Upanishad, here Ishwar means a Sagun Nirakar.
Yes. Ishvara means what is given in Mandukya Upanishad in 6th mantra. Esha Sarveshwaraha, Esha Sarvajnaha, Eshontaryami, Esha Yoni Sarvasya Prabhavapyohi Bhutana. In this way you should understand. Based on the Upanishad mantras. Now, asatoma sadgamaya, that portion is taken up. So first let us see the mantra. Athatah अथातः पवमानानामेव अभ्यारोहः स वै खलु प्रस्तोता साम प्रस्तौति स यत्र प्रस्तुयात् तदेतानि जपेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमयेति स यदा हासतो मा सद्गमयेति मृत्युर्वा असत् सत् अमृतं मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय अमृतं मा कुर्वेत् कुर्वित्येवैतदाह तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमयेति मृत्युर्वै तमो ज्योतिरमृतं मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय अमृतं मा कुर्वित्येवैतदाह मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमयेति नात्र तिरोहितमिवास्ति अथ यानि इतराणि स्तोत्राणि तेष्वात्मने अन्नाद्यमागायेत् तस्मादु तेषु वरं वृणीत यं कामं कामयेत तं स एष एवं विदुद्गादात्मने वा यजमानाय वा यं कामं कामयते तमागायति तद्धैतल्लोकजिदेव न हैव अलोक्यताया आशास्ति य एवमेतत् सामवेद. So this japa mantra asatoma sadgamaya earlier was all bhumika, introduction or preparation for that. Athatah pavamananam eva abhyaroha. Abhyaroha means this going up, abhyarohanam, rising up. In this pavamana stotra sa vai khalu prastota, he indeed is prastota. And what he does, sama prastauti, he begins the sama. So when he begins the sama prastava, at that time japa should start. Asatoma satma, that is given. Sa yatra prastuyat tada etani japet. Saha yatra prastuyat. Yatra means in that kala, at that time etani japet. So prastava begins, at that time we should do this japa. Asatoma sadgamaya tamasoma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya iti. This is prasiddha mantra, you already know this. Meaning is given here. Then Bhashyakar is going to explain more. Sa yada aha, when he says asatoma satgamaya iti. So what is the meaning? Asatoma satgamaya, he says asat is mrityu. Mrityurva asat. Sat is amritam. Sat is amritam. Asat is mrityu. So he said asatoma sadgamaya means actually what he is saying is amritorma amritam gamaya. Mrityorma amritam gamaya. Mrityorma amritam gamaya. Take me away from mrityu to amritam. Asatoma sadgamaya means mrityorma amritam gamaya. Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya. That is the next one. So mrityorma amritam gamaya. Amritam ma kuru. Ma means mam. That ma is mam. Huh? Which ma I am talking about? In the mantra, that second last line, amritam ma kurvityeva. That ma is mam. Amritam mam kuru. Iti eva etadaha. So when he says asatoma sadgamaya, he says make me amrita. Then tad aha. Then he says tamasoma jyotirgamaya iti. From tamaha you take me to jyotihi. Okay. What is tamaha? Mrutyurvai tamaha. Mrityu is tamaha. And what is jyoti? Amritam. So what is the meaning of tamasoma jyotirgamaya? Mrityorma amritam gamaya. What is the meaning of asatoma satgamaya? Mrityorma amritam gamaya. This is given in mantra itself. Huh? So it is not even that Ashyakar has given some meaning and all. What is popular is very different. Asatoma satgamaya means take me from asat to sat, like that. But here what he said is take me from mrityu to amrita. Mrityorma amritam gamaya. Amritam ma kuru. This ma also means mam. Kuru iti eva etadaha. Mrityorma amritam gamaya iti. Now this is the next one. Asatoma sadgamaya. Tamasoma jyotirgamaya. Meaning of both of them is Mrityorma amritam gamaya. Now what is the meaning of Mrityorma amritam gamaya? Amrityarma amritam gamaya. Na atra tirohitam iva asti. Here nothing is hidden. In the other two, there was some hidden meaning. When he said asatoma sadgamaya, it meant tamasoma amrityarma amritam gamaya. When he said tamasoma jyotirgamaya, it meant mrityarma amritam gamaya. But when he said mrityarma amritam gamaya, it is mrityarma amritam gamaya. Na atra tirohitam iva asti. And what is mrityu? Ashastriya jivanam is mrityu. Here it is not that take me from mortality to immortality and all. Here the meaning is only this. From Ashastri, because that is how the whole topic started. Ashastriya karma upasana, I drop. And I live a life according to Shastra, I will get moksha eventually. This is upasana portion. This mantra is in upasana. This mantra is not in jnana. We are still in the upasana section. अथ यानी इतराणि स्तोत्राणि तेषु आत्मने अन्नाद्यम आगायेत. Other stotra also atmani, there what were earlier we saw in the 9th mantra. No, anya 9 in Pavamana stotra 3 and 9 this vibhaga. So anya 9 stotra itarani stotrani teshu atmane anya annadyam agayet tasmad u teshu. Then in them varam vrinita yam kamam kamayeta. So whatever is the desire of that yajamana, he can ask with that desire. Tam sa esha evam with udgata atmane va yajmanaya va yam kamam kamayate tam agayati. So this udgata, he has the ability to produce that result. Either he will bring the result for himself or for the yajmana. Atmane means for the udgata or yajmanaya, because so that person has done so much upasana, he has so much siddhi, he can do this kind of invocation, he will get the result. Yajmanaya va yam kamam kamayate tam agayati tadhai tad lokajida eva. Then he will become the victorious of this world. So prana upasana is the means for loka prapti. Na haiva alokyataya asha asti. And there is no such possibility that he will not get it. Alokyataya means not being prepared or qualified for this. It's not going to happen. Who for whom? Ya evam etat sama veda. The one who knows this sama in this way, he will certainly get it. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।